good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? How you doing? How you doing? Dance with me, hey, how you doing? Listen, whatever makes you happy, girl, and dancing makes me happy, so I'm dancing this morning. Hey, you guys, by the title of this vlog, you may or may not know what I'm about to talk about, but if it's in the title, then surprise. So we have a surprise for somebody today. Is it you? Candy. Is it me? Candy. Is it Papa? Is it Tyler? Oh, it can't be me because I already know. Candy, please, Mama. No, because you almost have lunch. Okay, Mama making lunch. Okay? Okay. Yes. Anyway, you guys, I am multitasking right now. You know why I'm multitasking? Because I just found out that the persons that are coming here is eating lunch here, which I honestly didn't think about, because I know that my husband don't think like me. But I was just saying, OMG, somebody's coming here around lunchtime. Wait, you soon get candy. Wait. Candy. I said wait. Mama soon give you candy, okay? Let Mama find candy for you. Wait. Oh my gosh, I need to find it so you can get off of my shoulder. Just for a second. You soon get candy, but Mama can't find it. Oh. Mama can't find candy. Where is candy? Candy! Where are you? You better show yourself. Can't find candy. Okay, take one of this one. Here.
Candy. No!
No! I give her this. She said no.
Candy.
You too? Oh my God. How about this? Raisin?
Raisin?
Yes. Come, hold your hand. Wow. Close it. Close it. Go and eat. Go eat candy. You want to? Take it fast. Take it fast. I have things to do. Oh my gosh. These kids. You want more? You don't want only 4? You're going to eat lunch soon because we still have to leave this house. So you see, my job here is never ending. So like I said, we have a few guests coming, and I was not thinking that they're arriving during lunchtime. However, we have to leave soon after they arrive because Tyler have a track competition this morning, this afternoon, that we have to attend to, because by the time we'll leave, it will be around midday. So I just called and the person told me that yes, we're having lunch here. I'm like, oh, no, I need to go whip something up real quick. So I am trying to get through this while talking to you guys. So so that's what is up right now. I'm trying to get through what I'm whipping up, and hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. It's going to be a fun vlog, a busy day vlog, and I know you guys will enjoy whatever we have to show you guys today. You guys will see the entire crew right now. Who first? Me. You first.
Cody.
Hey, what you say?
Wagwan. Mama?
Yes, Ty.
Who is coming?
Oh, what did I tell you this morning?
John,
I tell you, I'm not telling you who's coming. Because it's a surprise for you. When the person comes through the door, we'll say, surprise, Tyler.
It's me.
Don't guess because I won't answer you, so please stop. Sarah. Sarah. Say good morning, Fibs. What are you eating? Alright, tell Fibs bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
So, as you guys can see, I'm actually dressed for the day. Where you find this?
Yeah.
Oh, Lordy. So, I'm actually dressed for the day. If I knew that I had to prepare lunch, if I think about it, knowing me, I would have done this long time ago. But that's okay. No worries. I can whip this up in no time. Okay, so that's what's going on. Who else? Babes, come say hello to the babes quick.
And Sarah.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is a competition day today. The champions of the house,
I'm champion of the relay.
Tyler, will do his first track competition. So we have fun. We're gonna bring him some support no matter how he did.
Yes.
We're gonna give him some
Tyler,
support.
we're gonna be cheering on the sideline, and
She's gonna be the loud, I'm gonna be the quiet as usually. So
Run, Tyler!
yeah, I'm gonna be like this beside Shane.
Cheer on the
She's
boy.
not my wife.
You're
She's
zero.
not my wife.
You're 0. Next time, I'm gonna print him name on my shirt. Run, Ty! Anyway, you guys, I'm trying to get through lunch, so let's do this. I'm whipping up chicken, shrimp, and I have rice, and I'm gonna make a salad on the side. Tyler, stop doing that before your sister follow you, please. Lead by example. Yeah, so we got you guys through the rest of today. Yes. Coucou,
Kenzo.
Vas-y, alors, on va poser des affaires là-bas. Avant.
Ça va?
Oui, tu veux pas les mettre tous les cartons?
Ah, derrière.
Je vais chercher, je vais des bisous. Tu fais un bisou à Sarah, tu fais un bisou. Sarah, elle est contente.
Ça va, mon bébé?
Off the box. No.
The other one around the back. Stella, who is that? You see mommy? You give mommy bisou? Go give mommy bisou. Sarah, who is this? Who is this? Sakisa? Mommy. Yes.
This is so
You don't want any more?
spicy. I don't want any.
Okay, you want yogurt?
Yes.
You see Kenzo? Kenzo? T'as dit bonjour? Ça va? Oh, ça va?
Oui.
T'as faim?
Oui.
Oui. Tu veux manger? T'as faim? Non. Non? T'as pas faim? Non. Non. Kenzo veut manger. Tu veux déjà manger? Il n'est pas copain avec le manger, lui. Ah ouais, il n'est pas copain.
Oh, t'en fais?
Ouais.
Ça va, Tyler?
So I think you guys probably realized by now that my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law is here. I'm my little nephew. So that was a surprise. Tyler was very much surprised. He wasn't expecting that at all. He thought it was Auntie Tashika coming, but he was so wrong. So I was so busy after they got here trying to get lunch to everyone, so I didn't get to talk to you guys. But right now we're on our way to Tyler's track meet. That's what I would say in Jamaica, track meet. I don't know if you'd call this a track meet, but we're heading to Tyler's track meet.
Activity.
Tyler activity meet. Whatever you want to label it as, but we're heading to something. So that's what we're doing right now. They're actually behind us, and Tyler abandoned us. Look, abandoned us, literally. Take out his car seat and he's gone with his auntie. So they're behind us. So we're heading to Tyler's meet. So let's send some positive energy to Ty and hope Tyler will do well at his trap meet today. So let's go have a good day cheering Tyler with my loud mouth. Y'all don't have no shame in my game, but I'm cheering for my kids, okay? I don't care. Go Tyler! Alright guys, that's Tyler group right there. He's warming up. Can you guys spot him? There he is. Let's see who can spot Tyler.
Si tu veux, tu peux aller jouer en bas.
Where is he running to? That's Tyler there. Tyler can't hear us. Tyler is in the second group right here. He's the second person in this group. There he is. Look, Kenzo, see Tyler. Kenzo, Tyler. Yeah. Woohoo! Tyler! That's babe Neville. He's so sweet. Kenzo, tu es fort, Kenzo.
On t'a vu courir. Tu montes pas haut, hein. Je t'arrête à Mélissa.
Oui. Oui, pistache. Oui, pistache. Oui, pistache. Allez, Tyler. He said, go, Tyler.
Kenzo,
And of course, that's my sister now.
je t'arrête là.
Coucou, Nana. Uh-oh, Sarah arrive.
Il y a Sarah qui arrive.
Sarah coming. It's relay time. Oui. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. This girl gonna give Tyler the baton. Come on, Tyler. Run, Ty. Run, Ty. Run, Tyler. That was Tyler.
Les dragons noirs. Les tigres noirs. Les tigres contre les dragons, c'est très...
So the team going a second time for the relay. They have to do 3 times. Let's see if we can see Tyler. Tyler team leading right now. All right, team. Come on, team. Let's go. Come on, Tyler. Run, Tyler. Yeah, Ty. Have been back home for a while now and I haven't picked up the camera because I've been so busy. Turn on the TV a bit, please. Sarah took her nap. I'm home cooking and multitasking, doing one of my friends here right now. Baby's over there playing games with the family. Let me show you guys a lot of things is happening in this house all at once. Look at them playing games without me. T'es juste sans moi. Pourquoi?
Parce qu'on a envie.
So they playing games here and I'm over there doing Addy here. Coucou Addy! She's like hello, and Sarah is over there. Sarah is watching TV. I'm cooking right now, so I'll talk to you guys with all the busy stuff that I'm doing all at once. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll show you guys what I'm cooking though for dinner. So catch you guys. Niche product. Ew.
Mais après manger.
Ça fait mal ou pas? Non? Turn. Dinner for the crew.
Attends, Kenzo. Je vais t'en donner, t'attends.
How do you feel having your mama and your sister here? Why are you making out on camera, lover?
You can edit that.
No, I'm not editing it. I'm leaving it right there. Oh, lad.
It's the end of the day. We're gonna have a nice game.
How do you feel having your mama here and your sister?
It feels good.
They're visiting here for the first time. Mama always want to come, but one is either she's sick, because mama not feeling well sometimes, or when she packed to come, something happened. COVID hit when she really was coming for the first time. That didn't happen, and then so many things happened before that when she was to come and she didn't come. So I'm happy that she finally get to come. And my sister-in-law, this one, is visiting here for the first time too. So it's nice having them here. We're hosting this time and not she hosting. And I'm happy for baby that mama get to visit.
And for Tyler too.
And for Tyler, so why we're playing down there?
It's easier with the light.
Hey, Mama Ella.
She did try here and she said it's fine.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, so we're ending the vlog right now. Everybody's putting on their pajamas so we can go play games, and the baby's in bed, Sarah is in bed, so Mama can have a chill evening. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, and catch up and keep up with us. And if you've never met my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law before, no, you've met them. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tout à l'heure, je vais essayer avec le bocal aussi. Hein. Ça fait 2 fois que je l'ai, ça fait 2 fois
Allez,
que...
qu'est-ce
C'est papa
que
qui a
tu peux
gagné.
m'aider?
Le médaille ou pas?
Tu joues Kenzo ou pas?
Attends.
C'est où
C'est
toi?
J'espère qu'on va gagner la médaille.
Attends. 2, 1, 2, 3. C'est maman et mamie en même temps.
Non, laisse au milieu. Parce qu'on finit la
Non, je garde.
Ouais, regarde. Il écrit quoi derrière la médaille? 800 mètres.
800 mètres.
C'est
la première
tienne?
compétition à Thaïlande.
Non, à 800
C'est
Place,
gagné la promenade.
c'est mamie,
Promenade.
Mélissa.
Tout le monde a ou il faut encore?
Non, c'est bon.
1, 2, 3.
Allez, on va gagner. On va gagner les...
Taille.
Ça va être...
Tous saumon.
Non. Non, on va perdre.
Un poisson.
Il est là, regarde.
Trop dur.
Il est là, c'est quoi tes yeux? Tu as besoin de lunettes, toi, hein?